Well, hello. We're back at it once again, and Ruby's up to her micromanaging. But this is the red wiggler blue worm bin that I'm about to transfer into another worm bin. The reason I'm doing that is because there was holes drilled when I first started out on the bottom of this tote, and I don't like holes on the bottom anymore, so I'm going to take them out and put them into another worm bin. But first, let's see what it looks like in here. Excuse me, Rube. Excuse me, Rube. Come on. Ow, wow, wow. So there's a lot of dry bedding in here and a little bit of moist bedding. So let's go ahead and put this into another worm bin. This is going to be my new worm bin with the blue worms and the red wigglers. So I got a blue lid to let me know that there's blue worms in it. And this is a 27-gallon tote. Just going to transfer all this bedding into this other bin. So I don't want to bore you with that. Let me take care of that. All right, I got the worms out of the previous tote. I'm going to give them some cardboard, because there's a lot of cardboard that I want to get rid of and let the worms eat up. Add it for their bedding. So I'm just going to move this bedding over. Grab the cardboard that's moistened. Bear it up. Put my bubble wrap back on. There we go. Bubble wrap's on. And then put this lid back on, because it has the blue worms in it. So be on the lookout for my next video with the last worm bins that I'm going to separate with the Euros. Here's another video.